doesn't like Halloween. It's okay, Cohen. Want to go? Cohen. Should we see this face masks?
No. I do want to get some girls. Where is Chucky anyway?
I don't know.
Mommy.
What about this one, Cohen?
I want Ghost Trees. Oh, Ghost Trees. Oh, Ghost Trees.
You don't want to look at this?
No. Trees.
Where do you want to go?
Ghost Trees. Ghost Trees. I want you to get Ghost Trees on it.
What about this one?
Mom,